Imagine relying on a life-saving medical device, only to be confused by a blurry label or unreadable instructions. In the world of medical manufacturing, a label isn't just a sticker, it's a critical communication tool that guides patients and reinforces brand trust. In this video, we will break down the different types of medical device labels, explore the key factors that impact print clarity and cost, and show you how to find a labeling partner who can deliver both performance and precision. Medical devices typically have two main categories of labels: product information labels and labels used for logos or pictograms. Product information labels include critical, often regulated data such as barcodes, lot codes, expiration dates, and UDI/DI codes. They are primarily black and white and must be machine and human readable, with clarity being the top priority. These labels are required to meet FDA labeling regulations, while including the business and all of the relevant manufacturing information. On the other hand, logo and pictogram labels are more focused on branding and visual instruction. Logos represent the company's identity and might include shaded or colorful designs requiring specialized print techniques. Pictograms visually instruct users on how to use the product, often showing steps like apply here or peel layer 1, then 2. The quality expectations vary based on the label's function. For most labels, the industry expects what's called standard legibility, which means the print must be crisp, clean, and free from defects such as speckling, smudging, or shadowing. While this level is slightly below high-end retail packaging standards, it still requires a professional finish, especially for logos and instructional graphics. Text and codes must always be readable, as they carry essential manufacturing and regulatory data. Cleanliness is also an expectation in some cases, especially for labels used in medical environments requiring clean room conditions. However, not all medical labels need to be that sterile. Several variables influence both the quality and cost of label printing. First, the combination of ink and material matters significantly. They must be compatible to prevent smearing or peeling. Another key metric here is the dyeing level, which measures the surface energy of the material and determines how well ink will adhere. Typically, the converters or printers will define a minimum dyeing level for the process. If the dyeing level is too low or varies too far from the target, print quality can suffer. Design complexity also plays a role. Smaller text, tighter tolerances, and intricate details demand more precise and expensive tooling. Finally, the number of colors in the design directly affects the cost, with simpler single-color designs being more affordable. To secure high-quality labels for medical devices, it's essential to work with a reliable manufacturing partner who understands both the aesthetic and regulatory requirements of your application. A qualified converter will help you find the materials, validate ink compatibility, and manage tolerances to produce consistent labels. If you want to learn more about how working with a converter can help your production process, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.